Sanbonani, welcome to Skia TV. Panach, c'est Kempton Park, come with me. So wabona, since indoors are corner, ice cream date, you know my babies.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
This is Kempton Park, guys. Kempton Park. You see, Kempton Park in town.
I got be maram calling so as and we're passing the same, very same spot.
How dirty it is. Kempton Park.
The real Russian in Germany having a time of his life. He's well rested and ready to serve radio at the hospital together.
Never ever lose it. Oh, what a place.
So you have to
Life is unpredictable.
I have to hunt. Okay,
We do our
go
best,
to Code Corner.
even when things are falling apart.
It's a good corner. Hey, baby. Baby. Take it, hurry, but taxi driver, Baraka guide, check it out. If you look over a rush job, my sis Pumile, Scott Sokhamba. No one put killing and I am your phone. Marabakos would say a hole and mad. Oh, my bad. Mali YouTube. Like and subscribe.
Mama senze njani lokho sizoku-address ake si-address i-issue esiqhathayo manje uba siqasha nge-issue yo-pick up nokunga-pick up bese si-entertainer-ke
akastikho kulokho akangangibize ngenquza ngithi inquza yami nami ngumama womunye umntwana angangithuki
okay
angangithuki ublo bhuti cha akangangithuki nami ngiyamhlonipha omunye umuntu nami ngi-expect ukuthi umuntu angihloniphe akayazi inquza yami
manje ke
and that's no ungithukile like ngine-right ukumvulela iqala ungangibiza ngenquza yami angangibizi ngenquza yami
Surely yinkinga yase Kempton Park. Amwale. Kala mbona the mathematics man ngakhona ukuthi something is going on here.
Nakhona yikho enye indlela ne. Lokho besides that.
Lo mhlolo shama senge festival. Ora into eating at festival. Sabu pai.
Festival you can know about festival is the festival in Mall of Africa.
Yeah.
Tembisa Plaza.
My going for the ice cream date.
And then I remembered already I saw
Or which wow less man. Should it is because that's the sun fan. Ya tu ruksale mapocho ni sha. Yo, Spone. Siku Silahlekile, simanje wesiprice. Denge? Oh yeah. Silahlekile, sifunani Mr. Price Chuba. That's really 3.5. Bakubonisa isongo ukuthi yiphi. You think you're not? Donation, please. And I'm a crate. I can take care of the fitting room, like you lingane simple.
Where's your mom? Where's your mom? What you cumbering there? You cumbering? Where's mommy? Call mommy. Call mommy. Call mommy. Hey mama! Hey mama! Hey Ratu! Ratu! Oh, yes, mama, you see? What's you do? Son of a facial pants, man, you can say. Woman, I want to see another shell pants. Come here.
5 minutes later.
Ngingena ngishophisha. Ngiyofithisa impahla. Kufanele ukhumule futhi.
Okay, I'm not fat.
Forget about it, dog. Kulungile bye. Kulungile bye. Kulungile bye.
Tell him to clean, man.
Hi, welcome to Shaq's Chicken and Gyro. How can I help you? But just let you know we are closing in 10 minutes.
Oh, that's no worries. This is going to be a quick order. Okay, so can I get 10 5-piece tenders, 4 jumbo shrimp platters, 5 fish platters, a chicken and lamb platter with extra white sauce, a falafel platter with just red sauce, and 3 banana pudding milkshakes, and a Diet Coke.
Okay. Anything else?
Oh, no, that's everything.
Okay.
Problem. What's your problem? What's your problem? You don't want to see yourself. Discovery store. I didn't know that. Connie Torres Ganja. I'll show you now. Sabi ukuzithola nge-website ngiyabona i-section yamadoda bayibhale Hollywood and then abafazi babhale South African smile, ready for a pitch. Why you switch it off?
Over. Sorry? No, ma. Or sorry, ke kopa di McFeast tse 2. Di McFeast. Yeah, 2.
Oh, thanks for you, Alice.
The place is hostile. That's the word we use. The environment is toxic.
What's up, YouTube? It's a Monday. We're going to do some Dana crash. So now I decided let me walk home. I bring an Uber man in corner. I'm managing a cabin with us. I think you okay. Let's go to Kempton Park. This bridge is too high, but there's something about me. I'm scared of heights. Just imagine being scared of heights and then like be a big man like me. I'm going to punch you fair ganja. Damn. Actually, it's not that bad. Maybe it's always in shy. It's about you. But yeah. quick question. As is all, I discovered something that a lot of us, let me start it off by asking a question. Do you pray for your finances? Do you pray for God to give you wisdom for your finances, when those finances come through? So basically, going back, okay, so basically a lot of people pray for finances, but they don't pray for the wisdom that comes. A finance, when the finance comes, English, it's pastoring, it's buffering. A lot of people pray for finances, but they don't pay. I keep saying pay. Okay, pray for wisdom of finance. You understand? Which must also do the matter. Must also do the money up. We have prayed for the wisdom on how to use the money. Guys, I need a microphone. Pray for wisdom after you've prayed for finances. So yeah, we're gonna come back a bit later on. I'm gonna some people email is Patali for the Kia TV. And then go spoil ourselves. Or unless we'll land princess and then go spoil princess. We'll think about it. TikTok cloud Shem. TikTok cloud. So this year we're doing something completely different in fun. Like this year, just listen to this. Mamela lento nisazobona kusazonyiwa 2026. I feel content is content. So this year I want to take out something. I Shem FKK is of Shem. So guys, I'm cooking. I'm even cooking music as much as I'm cooking content. So we try everything, Maraya. Jengamanje. Sigule page. Sila. Yabon. So when this was born no lubusheli la una ideas, it's been years tina senza so it's my music. Music by Skia TV. Yeah. Sugan Matot. Just I think if we say the move, Alright. Shouldn't it in your home? Think Shelly Linyage. Oh! Dealing it with $100. $100. When a baby gets away, Bamboda. Aye, so God did that is also what did that is here. Aye. Yo. Aye. As the thing chaza yini ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi music wabo angeke ukufleke. Something is coming. March. I promise you guys, something is coming. Watch out. Give flavor that. Stop from a man. Aye. So. let me just be honest. Ever since Skia Keys Kitchen is closed down, I don't know what is closed down. Since I closed it, I have a lot of free time and I'm learning a lot, man. It's truly a blessing, man. Yo. Okay, asuke lapha. 2026 suka lapha. Stop sama fruit man. Ay. Suka wa. Ay. Yo. Lagi apa ni kau ni so lerato laka mampu lagi upaya di festiso lerato laka. Don't forget to like and subscribe now. Leave a comment, leave a like. If you like what you like it. Guys, thank you for listening to the music. Let me go back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's then comments to go number 1. What's that pair?
Lilepo. Oh, wow! As he did against Skellets last season, opens the scoring with something spectacular. Well, Lilepo has gone 11 Betway Premiership appearances without scoring since netting against Stellenbosch on match day 1. But how about this to break the duck in South Africa's top flight?
What a stunner from Lilepo. And this game, this is exactly what it needed. A moment of individual brilliance, an element of surprise. Lilepo certainly delivers.
Ivo, good morning. Oh. Konje peti, ki peti number mang e. Number 3.
Oh, baby, she's 2 years old in life.
No, I mean like, ipeti esingakhi le, angithi le yokuqala bokuyini birthday official birthday chikoba re mreketi keke ko ulwets
Bro.
second birthday was ko Papa Chino's. Beep.
No, that was the day after. It can't be a
Yeah, it was a birthday, but we were celebrating the birthday. How? So this is the what? The third birthday, this one.
Anna, blow your candle. Blow. Yay!
My party pack. I want papilla kamnandi. Posiyam. Ay. So it's in. From my party pack.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Ndona, so how do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Amazing.
And then you're going to
Yeah. Usiqoka uphume store.
Ngishayisa imoto ntwana. Ngazigcoki ngicabanga. Phela eboxini bayagcoka izimpahla ezintsha mara igcasuke.
Never. Good food. Oh, number one.
Elderflower and pear.
Oh, elderflower and pear. Oh, mina ngithi hayi ikiwi. Ngoba le ngibona ukuthi watermelon because of
the red.
The red. Food spot. Make it green on a move.